Hello, welcome to Corinne Marie Designs. This is Corinne. Thanks for joining me today. I just wanted to show you the brand new Sale-A-Bration Happy Wishes. Gorgeous, gorgeous stamp set. I'm going to stamp this today on some vellum and do some heat embossing. I'm addicted to stamping on vellum at the moment, so you have to bear with me. I keep using it, so I'm going to use some silver embossing powder. Let's get out my Versamark and a stamp block. Let's go with Happy Birthday. As you can see, this is brand new, never been out the box. This one is actually free. You get both sets, one big set. Happy Wishes is free with a £90 order. So it's really, is that birthday? That's birthday there. I should have put my glasses on. Okay. That's not going to fit on there. Let's get out a bigger one. That is an I block, and that one's a H block. So let's line that up on there. Use my embossing buddy. Versamark. Whatever if I took the backing off. Get it lined up. And give it a stamp. Let's hope it's going to stamp lovely. Being the first time out, it will covered with some Versamark. Let's get that square. Happy. Square again. Birthday. Don't know if you can see that. Let's have a look. See if you can. There we go. Just see it shining. So, good old trusty coffee filter. Give that a sprinkle. Oh, it's come out beautifully. Look at that. It's probably sticking my fingers all over it. Back in, nice and tidy. Oh, I do apologise, waving it all underneath the camera. I'll only get it everywhere. If you're a crafter that does heat embossing, you understand the perils. Okay, bear with me a minute while I go and do that. Okay, I'm back. There we go. Look at that. Pretty. So, I wanted to team this with the absolutely gorgeous Kettle Passion DSP. This is a 5x5. Sorry, this vellum was 4x4 inches. So I'm going to layer that on top of the 5x5 DSP so that you can see it through. Let's get some fast views. You can see through. How pretty is that? I wanted to team this up with some Bermuda Bay. So I've got a 12x6 piece folded in half, so we've got a 6x6 card base. Now I wanted to pop that on there, but not only that, I thought we'd chuck in a layer of basic grey. We'll do it at a jaunty angle. See how that goes. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to be quite happy with that. So let's pop some fast views on here. I should put some fast views on the back of that one. Lovely. Like that. Hoping I've put that down in the right spot. And then I'll just trim off that excess. Let's pop my trimmer out. I reckon we'll make a better job of it. We line it up in the trimmer. Straight in the bin. Nice and tidy. Just like that. Let's have a look at you. Oh, I am happy with that. I hope you like. Happy birthday. Gorgeous. Lovely. Thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye.